Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial of Tech Assist. Today's guide video is based on how to fix avatar option that is not available on your Instagram application. Now first of all, before we begin, make sure that you're well connected with your internet service, only then you'll be able to follow the step. Now I'll show you a few methods on how you can get or how you can fix avatar option on Instagram application. Now you make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. Now the first method is just head towards your Play Store application. So here the interface looks something like this, and right on top there you can see a search bar. So what you have to do next is you have to enter Instagram, and as you can see that on the upper right corner there I have open. Now instead of open, if you have update, so you need to update your Instagram application, and that might be one of the reasons why the avatar option wasn't available on your device. Now after you update your Instagram application, there's a slight chances that the avatar option might be available. Now what you have to do next is simply go back to your home screen, and after you updating your Instagram application, still if you don't have an avatar option, so you can follow this second step. So what you have to do is on the second process, and from here you have to tap on apps and notification. So on the other page you have to tap on Instagram. So on the next page you have app info, and right on the third step you have storage. Just tap on it. So as you can see on the next page you have the info about the storage, and on this particular page what you have to do is, now you can either tap on clear data or you can either tap on clear cache. Now after you tap on any one of the following option, now all your information will be erased, and after that you have to log in again. So just tap on clear data, and once you're done clearing all your history, what you have to do is just go back to your home page, and then you have to log in into your Instagram application. Now instead of following both the method, still if you don't have an avatar option, so what you can do next is, that is the final step, just tap on your profile ID, which is right at the bottom. So next on the profile page, what you have to do is you have to simply tap on the trio bar option or the 3 dash icon, which is on the upper right corner. Now as soon as I tap on the trio bar option or the 3 dash icon, down there you can see a pop-up window. Now from here what you have to do is simply tap on settings. Now on the next page you have the info about the settings, and on the 7th option there you can see help. Just tap on it. So next page you have an option, so from here you need to tap on report a problem. So as soon as I tap on report a problem, once again there is a pop-up window. So from here once again tap on report a problem, which is right at the bottom. So on the next page you have report a problem, and under it you have to give a brief description about your problem or what is happening or what's not working. So next what you have to do is you simply have to enter avatar option is not available on my device. Now in case if you have a photo or a screenshot, so you can even upload those. Now after you're done reporting a problem, what you have to do is simply tap on submit, which is on the upper right corner. And as you can see that the feedback has been sent, and now all you have to do is you have to wait patiently for them to reply and look into your matter. And that is how you can fix an avatar option that is not available on your Instagram application. Now that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.